Hello Internet. In this video I'll be showing you how to access or to view your Android saved Wi-Fi passwords with phones that does not have root access, because it's simple. If you have root access you can just access the file and see the password there. So I'll explain the process first, then I'll walk you through it. Sorry, for some reason my mic wasn't working when I was recording, so I'll have to narrate the video. So the first thing we will need a couple of executables or couple of tools to get this method to work. One of which is the ADB tool, which comes with the SDK for Android development. Simply what we will do is back up the phone using this tool, and then extract the backup and access the file that has the passwords in. Okay, so let's get started. Here I'm just simply downloading the tool. Okay, I'll put all the links that you will need, all the links to the tools in the description box. So here I'm just extracting the archive. Okay, second thing we will need is to install the ADB drivers. That will help the phone get recognized by the computer. Okay, simple package, download and install. Okay. Next, here choose the path of the installation. Just leave it at the default. Okay, next thing we will do is just switch to our phone with a USB data cable, not a USB charging cable. We will need a data cable for this to work, and go through the steps that I'll be showing you next. Okay, just get rid of that archive, no longer needed. Here simply I'm just creating a folder that I will later put the backup in. As you can see here, I just switched to my phone. Go to the system settings of your phone. It's the same for all Android devices. Go to the build version and tap on it 3 to 5 times. If you get asked for a password, just type in your password, and you are now a developer. You can access additional settings. Okay, enter the developer options and enable USB debugging. Look for USB debugging and enable that option. As you can see here, I just plugged my USB cable to the phone. Okay, USB debugging. Okay, allow a fingerprint or a certificate. So just press allow and click OK. Okay. Next thing we will do is just make sure you're holding Shift, then right clicking for the prompt option to be shown there. Just gotta get back to it. Here, just make sure you're holding Shift, which is the key, next to the control. Hold Shift and right click, then open command prompt here. Okay. ADB devices to check if the device is connected or not. Okay, good. If you see the device here, that means you're good to go. If it's unauthorized, go back and repeat the process and accept the certificate. Normally, if you see unauthorized, it means that the certificate is not authorized, which is this step right here. This step right here. I'll show you. Here, this step. Okay, go back to where we left off. Now, just paste in this command. I'll put it in the description box. Simply, I'm just backupping the system settings of the phone. Click. As you can see, a backup.ab file is added in the directory. Okay. If you just don't put any password, just press the backup button that was here down here. Wait a second for it to finish, and or done. As you can see, backup.ab, this is the file. We'll also need this tool which will help us extract the backup archive. Okay, let's download it. It's written in Java, so you have to make sure you have Java installed on your computer, otherwise it will not work. Okay, just extracting the tool, drag and drop it. Okay, this is called abe.jar. Okay, simply I'm just copying this backup file and move it to the folder I created earlier. Okay, just paste. Okay, get rid of that archive, no longer needed. As I said, you have to make sure you have Java installed. If not, go ahead and go to the java.com website and download it. Just installing Java here. Next, and we're done. Now copy and paste this command. First, move back to the folder where the backup is, where this tool and the backup are. Okay, go ahead. Dear, just listing the folder content, making sure. Okay, Java, just paste in this command and press OK, or enter, sorry. Press enter. Okay, it's done. Now you can see an archive there, the .tar extension. Extract it simply. Just ignore the overwrite all the file. Okay, ignore this. Those are just warnings. Ignore them, because simply the backup is not in the expected format. Okay, just move to the app directory, to this provider.settings directory, and to this file, .data. Open it with a text editor. Move down a bit in this file and you can see the Wi-Fi backup data. Here you can find all the Wi-Fi stored on your device. So you can see here is the SSID, the pre-shared key is the password for the Wi-Fi,